beautiful people. First of all, I look so cute this afternoon. Oh, I'm so beautiful. Anyways, hey beautiful people, on today's video, I think it's going to be a very short video actually, but on today's video I'll be going to get the vaccine for the virus. I can't mention the name because I think, or not that I think, I've watched 2 YouTubers that said that videos are flagged when you mention the name of the virus. I don't know why, because it's something everybody knows. But anyways, I'm going to get my vaccine and hopefully I can film it for you guys if I'm allowed, and I'll just tell you guys a little bit about the side effects, because I've asked people about their reaction to it and most people were just like, okay, hand aches, pain here and there. I hope it's not too much because honestly I'm so scared, but my school made it mandatory for us to take it if not attend classes. Imagine. So we need a certificate of vaccination to attend classes, so obviously we have to go get it. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I'm getting it. Oh boo, I cute died. Bye guys. Guys, I am scared, I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, I'm fine. Check out this new look. I'm melanin popping. This is skin for me, yo. Okay, so beautiful people, I can't get the vaccine done today because I traveled home to Nigeria and I have to first of all do HIV test and malaria tests, then get the results, and I'm gonna get the stamp needed for registration, then before I can get the vaccine. Well, long story cut short, vaccine cannot be done today, so I'll just update you guys when I get the vaccine, on the day I get the vaccine, because I refuse to start this video on that day again. So why are you laughing? Anyways, bye guys, see people. So beautiful people, it's a beautiful day to get the vaccine, and this is how we always translate our documents so that we know what they're saying. So beautiful people, update, I have been vaccinated. The first dose, and I got my certificate for the vaccine. They call it certificate over here, just a form just to indicate that you've gotten the vaccine, and you can attend class. I can attend class with it. Also the lady was like we should come back 21 to 28 days after, that's like 3 to 4 weeks, a month after, and get the second dose. So we'll get the second dose. See you in 3 weeks, see you in 4 weeks. Still on this video. Bye guys. Till then, ciao. So beautiful people, I'm going to be unboxing my Are you a fool? Respect yourself this night too.
Hi, beautiful people. On the street of tallest beauty.
On the street.
I'm here to disturb the progress of the shipment.
You're not okay. Don't come and hold camera. So beautiful people, let's unbox our Rozetka package together. I don't know why these people did this like this. It's facing the other side, but anyways, we move. Of course, I already know it's tested and trusted. Product got this type too, so I know that is good. So I'm not thanking Rozetka because it's my money. It's not like it's a paid ad. We'll get there, sha. So peace. Bye guys. I got a new heater. So I decided to unbox and then show you guys what was inside. Alright, so this is the heater and this is the area where you regulate it. Obviously there's a plus sign here and there's a minus sign here, so you just switch it on and then you put it on the level. From here it increases this way, so you either reduce or increase it just the way you like. Then here there's an off sign. This is for fan. One thing I like about the heaters in this country is that you can use them both in winter and summertime. So in summer I use this place to cool off myself, and then in winter I turn on the heater. This is a level, and then this is the next level. Okay, all right, so it came with this stuff. So this is the manual. This is the manual on how to use it, but then it's in Ukrainian, so they go there, right? Then this is the warranty card, and finally this one is, I think, like a feedback card. This one means are you happy, this one means not happy. Then you give them their feedback on their websites, blah 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 blah. Then I think this side, when I translated, it was like, please tell your friends about us, we want to get better and serve you better on Facebook, Instagram, and our website, blah 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 blah. So that's all for unboxing my Rozetka heater. Yay! Beep, 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 beep. So beautiful people, 21 days later I am here to get myself fully vaccinated. Okay, so catch you guys soon. It looks so beautiful as always. See you guys there. Okay, so beautiful people, another day, another form to fill. So I'm about to take the second dose. Yeah, okay. And yeah, Pfizer. And like that, I'm fully vaccinated. Hey! So if you're fully vaccinated, say yay! Yay! You guys go and get vaccinated. You will not die. We are not dead and we are not dying. Neither are we planning to yet. We will live and declare the works of the Lord now, right? Full age. So beautiful people, I just wanted to let you guys know, okay, this is the arm I took the vaccine on. Actually, this exact spot, and it hurts a little bit, just a little bit, not as much. But for some people, the effect is different. Some people it hurts like really bad, but for me it wasn't like that. If you have any question at all about anything, about it all, just ask in the comment section. Probably something I didn't talk about in this video, just ask in the comment section and I'll reply right away. I love you. Bye. Oh yeah, please like, subscribe, share to everyone, and just love up on me in the comment section. Love you. Alright guys, so this is the unexpected part of this vlog. We came to a restaurant after getting our vaccine certificates. Actually, they call certificates here, but it's just like a proof to show that you've been vaccinated. And we decided to come and chop life because you only live once. Chop life before life chops you. Oh darling, I love you. I love you. Say that on camera with me. What did you say? Chop life before life chops. Oh, who says that, darling? You. Okay. She's just like, you. Okay, we're deliberating on what to eat, but soon. Basically, we don't trust this restaurant to give us a really nice meal. But let's see how it goes, guys. I'm famished. We didn't have any like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm famished. So our orders have been taken.
I'm getting it. We're getting chicken.
And some people are indecisive.
Steak thing. Okay. The crowds aren't so big, are they? Oh, I don't know how that's shaped.
Reda, so what do you have to say to your fans? That's all.
Yeah, that's all. Okay, I was wrong. You don't. I don't know. Do I have any fans?
Yes, you do have fans, cutie. So what do you have to say to them?
Wear your mask. Get your shots. Says the go without it.
Wow. So you, what do you have to say to your fans? Yeah.
Get your vaccine, don't be an idiot.
Hey. What she said. Okay, girls.
But the
Okay.
conspiracies are true.
What conspiracies? Tell us.
I'm just saying.
Okay. That what?
If you don't want to take the vaccine,
Okay.
I'm here for you. Alright?
But you've taken yours.
I'm taking mine.
Okay.
Because the school forced us to.
Actually,
Actually,
To be honest, to be honest.
It doesn't really matter.
yeah.
It
But
hasn't
I
hurt.
mean, regardless, you take the vaccine, you still get COVID.
So what's the point? Yeah.
Wow. Well done, guys.
I said, do you know how expensive not having the vaccine is?
Honestly.
800 grivens.
800 every 3 days.
COVID test.
Every 3 days.
Just for COVID test. To attend class.
Even for traveling. You have to have a COVID.
You can go to many parts of Europe because you don't have a vaccine.
Imagine.
And a lot of people don't, like other people with like groups of taking Moderna.
Yeah.
You can't travel.
True, yes. The lady said so that day. If you take Moderna, you can't travel. But with Pfizer that we took, you can travel. And then the vaccine is free, guys. That's another thing.
Wow.
The vaccine is free, so you guys should just go and take it.
I mean,
Vaccine
it's
is
like-
free.
it's actually
Not taking
like-
vaccine is not free. And then they'll be sticking the swab sticks into your nose just to take the nasopharyngeal swab and all of that. And no, I can't go through that. I've gone through that like 4 times. I'm not doing it again, you guys.
Wow.
It's stressful.
It's actually like getting an insurance, like for a car.
Yeah.
You know you're a terrible driver. You know you're gonna crash it. So it's like having a safety measure. Like insurance.
Word. Alright, so let's get this table full. So guys, these are everything we ordered. Okay. Yummy. Let's dig in, fam. See you in the next one. Bye. Wait, you guys, your reaction on camera. How is this place?
I'm gonna take a French fry.
I was wrong. I was completely wrong. Look at the.
It's good, guys. Their presentation is amazing. See the milkshake. This is the steak. Their presentation is amazing, you guys. We love it.
10 stars.
It's a tester. Sister, how do you feel? So we are done or almost done eating, and this is the empty table after 5 minutes. These girls did not waste time. It's not 5 minutes.
Which 5 minutes?
Why are you looking shocked?
15.
15?
Yes.
Are you sure? It's less than that, guys. Anyways, guys, we are done. Oh, Shamila. Jesus. How did you eat and he's looking like this, girl? What the hell, man? Oh my god, you're brutal. See bones. Oh, you dealt with it, babe. Jeez. I feel like here is so beautiful and it would be awesome in summer. So yeah. Oh guys. Whoosh, I love the lights. This place would be perfect at night. Okay. And this is what inside looks like. This is so beautiful, honestly. Yeah. They also have this cute area, like a cafe. And yeah. Oh yeah. These girls, noisemakers.
I think they're gonna be.
Noisemakers. And that's their kitchen with another space here. It's so cute. You wash your hand here. Guys, even their kitchen is so cute. Even the toilet is cute, you guys. Oosh. Alright guys, that's it for their review. See you once again. I feel like I've told you guys so many times. See you. But see you. And please leave a comment in the comment section. Like, ask your questions. I love you guys. Share too. Bye. Hi! Under the vlog, nightlife for you people. But this, let me see if this person's like to help me. Not even help me. This is crazy. Cause what? Why am I looking this dark? Excuse you, beautiful people. Sorry. No nightlife recorded because damn, I can't be looking like charcoal. Yeah, I'm dark on the unbelievable. It's crazy. It's crazy.